I'll show you the exact step-by-step process to track payments on Wise, formerly TransferWise, decoding the four official back-end statuses that show exactly where your cash is sitting and revealing a hidden tracking shortcut you can text to your recipient so they can watch the live progress without even needing a Wise account. If you're ready, hit that like button. Let's get into the fix. Unlike traditional brick-and-mortar banks that leave you completely blind after wire initialization, Wise builds a continuous data trail for every single dollar. To access your live transaction layout, do this. Open your desktop web browser or open the mobile Wise app on your device. Navigate to the bottom navigation dock and tap the Home tab or look for your activity list. Scroll through your recent transaction history and click directly on the specific pending transfer you want to audit. The screen will immediately expand to show you the live progress tracker bar. This is a chronological visual roadmap that updates dynamically as global banking networks clear your assets. When you look at your progress bar layout, your transfer will be locked into one of four critical network milestones. Here is what they actually mean. Your money's being processed. This means Wise's back-end database has registered your request, but they are still waiting for your local bank to clear the funds over to Wise's local storage pool. Money received. Wise has successfully pocketed your capital. They are now actively running it through their internal ledger to convert it into the recipient's target currency. Transfer sent. Wise has finished the conversion process and officially pushed the capital out of their node and into the destination country's banking grid. Delivered or completed. The transaction lifecycle is finished. Wise's local payout partner has successfully dropped the funds into the recipient's bank routing network. If your status layout says transfer sent but the recipient swears it has not reflected on their account balance, do not panic. This status simply means Wise has completed its leg of the race. The recipient's local bank can often take 1 to 2 additional business days to internally clear the incoming batch and credit their checking profile. Wise has a brilliant, hidden feature built right into the interface to solve this. The Wise shareable tracking link is a unique, secure URL generated inside your transaction activity page that allows your recipient to monitor the real-time movement of the money in their own browser without needing a Wise login account or exposing your private banking data. To grab this asset link, open the specific transaction tracker inside your app. Scroll to the very bottom of the ledger screen and tap the button labeled Share Tracking Link. Copy the URL to your clipboard and text it straight to your recipient over WhatsApp or iMessage. This downloads a formal MT103 document, which is the ultimate official proof of a swift cross-border wire, that they can hand to their local bank teller to trace the transaction manually. Now you know how to audit your activity dashboard, decode the 4 core network milestones, and share encrypted live tracking shortcuts directly with your international recipients. If you have any queries or input, comment below, and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials, and check the description below for more. Don't forget to subscribe for more of such educational videos, and thanks for watching.